this is a this is about the current displacement. Some expression will obtain an expression for the current displacement, that is id, we will discuss. So how, for example, we consider the two parallel plates connected here, parallel plate connected here, okay, to the circuit, okay, or we can take source, okay, making some distance from one plate to the another plate. D is the distance, okay. This A is the area for the plate. So consider two parallel plates. Are you able to hear? Consider two parallel plate capacitors connected across an AC source. This AC source, okay, and its area will be the A. This is now the condition or the conduction for the current. Let we will take the potential of this current will be the V is equal to V naught into e to the power of j omega t. Will take the potential of the current. Now we have the fundamental values of D is equal to epsilon into E, okay. We call the equation number 1. Or we know that the electric field can also written as the rate of change or voltage divided by potential divided by electric field of a plate for the capacitor. Electric field is equal to E is equal to what is the distance D. We have another, or substitute this equation here. What is that? D is equal to epsilon into V by D. We can substitute the values in this way, okay. Or the same thing, you substitute values here, same thing, substitute the values here. What will write here, okay, D is equal to epsilon by D. V value is what? Voltage potential is V naught into e to the power j omega t. This is the about the D value. Now the displacement current density can be denoted by displacement current density can be denoted by dou D by dou T. Current density, displacement current density can be denoted by the rate of change of its density D is there. Now the displacement current is id. If I take the displacement current is id, then dou of D by dou T is equal to this is the current density, and id is the current density is what? Current by area. So current density is equal to current by area. Current is what? id, displacement current, divided by area is what? Area is what? A. We can write here. Therefore id is equal to what we will write? Dou D by dou T into area A will write, okay. The same thing we will write id is equal to are you here? Dou D, what is that? Dou D by dou T into area is there, no? So substitute the values of D here. A as it is dou by dou T. D value is what? D value we write epsilon D by V naught into J. So write epsilon by D into V naught e to the power of j omega t, okay, into A as it is. Differentiate this value. What will write here? Differentiating with respect to t. Therefore here, okay, what is that? A as it is j omega t 1, that is, so epsilon by D into V naught into e to the power of j omega t. This, or make it clear, j omega into epsilon is over, then what remains? Epsilon V naught A, you write A as it is V naught into e to the power j omega t, okay, divided by t. This is id. This is the expression for the current density or displacement current. Not sorry, this is the expression for displacement current. This, how many minutes for? 4 minutes. Now right. So summarizing these, okay, we have the four Maxwell equations for one is a differential form or time varying, and the static. One is the static, another one is the movement. So first one is differential form or point form for the time varying. You know, the summarizing the Maxwell equation. What are the Maxwell equations we have here in the in condition in vacuum as follows? What is that? For first, according to Gauss electrostatic theory, what we know, del dot D is equal to rho v. First equation we know that, okay. Then second one is according to Faraday's equation, what we wrote, del cross of E is equal to rate of change of its magnetic field. Okay, dou T. Second equation. Third equation, what we wrote, del of magnetic field is equal to 0. Fourth, what we wrote, del of curl of this magnetic field is equal to J plus of dou D by dou T. These four Maxwell equations are the time varying Maxwell equation. And the same thing, okay, static or differential form or point form. This is the integral form. This whatever is there, this is the integral form. Sorry, differential form for that point. This is the static means 0. If you take the first one, d of dot is equal to rho v. Second one, del of E is equal to 0, because time is 0, the rate of change of magnetic field, it will become 0. Del of dot B is equal to also 0. Del cross H is equal to 0, because the initially what is that, del cross H equal to J plus dou D by D. T is equal to 0 means it will be becomes 0 only, therefore it will be there. This is the static, it means time is equal to 0. Okay, static time is considered to 0. So these are the two important set of Maxwell equation. One is time varying, another one is the time statistic field. So these are the regarding Maxwell equations. All right.